To keep from bombarding your connections or making your current employer aware that you are looking, if you're conducting a confidential job search, it's really important to go to your privacy settings and turn off your share profile updates with connections. It's very simple to do, only takes a couple of minutes. You just go up, go to settings and privacy, go over to visibility, and in visibility, scroll down, click on share profile updates with your network, and make sure that that is turned off. That will stop LinkedIn from notifying your network of key profile changes. It's a good idea to go into your settings and privacy periodically just to check on what you have turned on and what you have turned off.